Hello, I'm going to ask you 100 questions. Some of the questions might be rude, some of the questions might be weird. It's all for fun. Here we go. How are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
Alex,
How old are you?
36,
Where are you from?
Canada,
Where did you grow up?
Toronto, and St. Catharines,
Where do you live?
in Korea.
Do you have a spouse?
Yes,
What do you do?
I'm an English teacher.
Do you like to teach English?
I do,
Are you a strict teacher?
sometimes.
Do you give a lot of homework?
Sometimes.
Do you love grammar?
No.
Are you a foodie?
Yeah,
Are you a diligent person?
I'm very diligent.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I do. I have 2 brothers.
Are you friendly?
Sometimes.
What are your hobbies?
I like art and I like hiking.
Do you like to listen to music?
Yes.
Have you been to London?
No, I haven't.
Are you a BTS fan?
I am, but I'm not hardcore ARMY.
Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Do you cry easily?
Sometimes I do.
Do you get angry easily?
I don't think so.
What did you eat for breakfast today?
I don't really remember.
What time do you usually get up?
When my son wakes up.
Do you like to take vitamins?
I do.
Are you camera shy?
I hope not.
What sports can you play?
I used to play volleyball. I'm not very coordinated though, so
Do you feel uncomfortable now?
not too bad.
What time do you usually go to bed?
Around 11:30, 12?
How often do you drink alcohol?
Not often.
What's your favorite food?
There's too many to choose from.
What was your major in university?
I majored in linguistics and TESOL.
Do you have a master's degree?
Yeah, bilingual education.
What languages can you speak?
French, Polish, English, Spanish, some Korean.
Can you cook?
Oh yeah,
Do you cook well?
I'd like to think so.
What are you doing now?
Doing an interview?
What are you going to do tonight?
Sleep.
What did you do last night?
Oh, I met a friend.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
Take care of my son.
Could you lend me $100?
What for?
Can I give you $500?
Sure, I'll take that off your hands.
Do you like to dye your hair?
No.
Are you tired?
Yeah, a little.
Are you hungry?
Not too bad, no.
Are you a clean or messy person?
Messy, but starting to reform.
Do you smoke?
No,
What's your nickname?
I don't have one.
How's the weather today?
It's okay, but polluted.
Do you miss your home country?
Of course,
Do you have a driver's license?
I do.
Are you often sick?
No,
Do you collect anything?
nope,
Are you suffering from a broken heart right now?
no.
Are you an introvert or an extrovert?
Introvert.
What kind of exercise do you do?
A lot of walking and just some weightlifting.
Can you do 10 push-ups?
Probably not.
Which countries have you traveled to?
A long list of them.
Do you subscribe to my YouTube channel?
And no,
Are you rich?
no,
Are you stingy?
no.
What's a word that rhymes with key?
We.
Do you have a lot of drama in your life?
Doesn't everybody?
Are you an optimist or a pessimist?
I hope I hope an optimist.
Are you afraid of needles?
A little bit.
Do you get jealous easily?
Not really.
Are you a romantic person?
Yes.
What makes you really angry?
Fake people.
Do you play computer games?
No.
Do you prefer cats or dogs?
Tough question, but maybe dogs?
Do you think dogs should be allowed into restaurants?
Definitely not.
Do you have many friends?
Some. I have enough.
In the summer, would you rather go to the beach or go camping?
Oh. Maybe the beach.
Do you have any phobias?
No.
How often do you drink coffee?
Couple times a week?
Who do you admire the most?
Oh, I have to think about that one. My husband.
Are you a vegan?
No.
Do you sing well?
And definitely not.
Can you dance?
Not really.
Are my questions weird?
Yeah, a little.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I think more evening, night.
If you could live anywhere, where would it be?
Ooh. I'm pretty happy in Korea.
What is your proudest accomplishment?
Oh, finishing all of my school.
What makes a happy marriage?
Definitely communication.
Do you get bored easily?
No.
Do you have a good sense of humor?
I hope so.
Do you like to use social media?
Sometimes.
Do Canadians and Americans speak the same English?
No.
What makes Canadians different than Americans?
Well, we apologize a lot.
Are you a workaholic?
Sometimes.
Do you believe in love at first sight?
No.
Do you have many regrets?
No.
Do you have a tattoo?
No.
Is life beautiful?
Sometimes.
Are you addicted to anything?
Maybe my phone.
How often do you eat fast food?
Not that often.
How often do you brush your teeth?
Every day.
Do you think students should wear school uniforms?
Maybe in high school.
What's the best way to study English?
The way that interests you the most.
Okay, that was 100 questions. Were there any questions that you thought were a little strange or weird?
Yeah.
Do you have a specific one in mind?
Why do you want to know about my hair?
Oh, okay. Thank you very much, and thank you for sharing your answers.
Thank you.